Hi, boys and girls. Today for Foundations, we're going to practice our letter formation. We're going to practice both the uppercase and lowercase of each letter. Now, because we're going on our zoo field trip next week, let's look at some animals and we're going to write the letter of the first sound of the animal. So grab a paper and pencil, and if you have paper with Foundations lines on it, great. If not, just do your best to try and follow along. All right, so here we go. So let's look at the first animal. That is a lion. Lion. Lion starts with L. So please go ahead and write your uppercase letter for L. Start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, and go across. L. Lamp. L. And then the lowercase, start on the skyline and go down to the grass line. Boom, done. Very good. Next animal. Can you guess what it is? If you said fox, you are correct. Fox. Fox starts with F. So let's write our uppercase and lowercase f. For uppercase F, start on the skyline, go down to the grass line. Good. Come back up to the skyline, go across on the skyline, and then cross at the plain line. Very good. F, fun. And then lowercase f, start on the skyline, fly back on the skyline, and drop down to the grass line and cross at the plain line. F, fun. Very good. All right. Ooh, this creature is the elephant. Elephant. If you said elephant starts with E, you are correct. Here we go. To write an uppercase E, start on the skyline, go down to the grass line, go back up to the skyline, go across on the skyline, go across on the plain line, and go across on the grass line. E, egg, eh. Very good. Now let's do the lowercase e. The lowercase e, you're going to start in the middle of the plain line and the grass line. So go straight out, stop, and curve back on the plain line. Touch the point where you started and curve down to the grass line. E, ed, eh. Very good. Next group of animals here, we have some penguins. Penguins. If you said penguin starts with P, you are correct. Let's do the uppercase P first. Starting at the skyline, go down to the grass line, go back up to the skyline, and curve down to the plain line. Very good. All right. The lowercase p, we start on the plain line. Go down to the worm line, trace back up to the plain line, and curve down to the grass line. P, pan, p. Very good. Next animal is, can anyone guess what this is here? It's a buffalo. Buffalo starts with B. So let's write the uppercase B for buffalo. Start on the skyline, go down to the grass line, then go back up to the skyline. You're going to curve down to the plain line, and then curve down again to the grass line. B, bat, b. Now the lowercase b, start on the plain line, skyline, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plain line, and curve forward and land on the grass line. Very good. The next picture is a camel. Camel. Now we know that there are several ways you can write camel. Well, there are several ways that make the first sound as camel, and this one is the C. All right, so we're going to write the uppercase C, starting on the skyline, fly back on the skyline, and curve down to the grass line. C, cat, k. All right, in lowercase, we start at the plain line, fly back, and land on the grass line. C, cat, k. Very good. Let's check out some more animals. In this picture, we have the gorilla. Gorilla. G, g. Gorilla starts with G. So let's write the uppercase G. Start on the skyline. You're going to fly back on the skyline, land on the grass line, but keep curving up to the plane line and fly back on the plane line. G, game, G. All right, good. Let's write the lowercase g. You're going to start on the plane line, fly back, curve down to the grass line, but then go back up to where you started on the plane line, trace down all the way to the worm line and curve up. G, game, G. All right, G for gorilla. Very nice. Does anyone know this cute animal here? This one is the koala. Koala, koala. Now, koala also, the k sound, there's a few letters that could make the k sound, but in koala, it is the K. So starting on the skyline, go down to the grass line, and then go back up to the plane line. You're going to slide down to the plane line here, and then slide down to the grass line. Very good. Now the lowercase k. You're going to start on the skyline here, go down to the grass line. Very good. Pick up your pencil, go to the plane line now for the lowercase k. You're going to slide down to the middle of the plane and grass line, and then slide down again to the grass line. All right, very good. K, kite, k. The next animal here, does anyone know this hanging animal on the tree? They live in the tropical rainforest. They move very slowly. If you said sloth, you are correct. So this is a sloth. If you said S, starts sloth, you are correct. All right, so let's make the uppercase and lowercase s. Let's get on the skyline. You're going to fly back, curve down to the plane line, and then curve the other way to the grass line. Very good. There's your S. For the lowercase, same deal, but you're starting on the plane line. You're going to fly back, curve down to the middle of the plane and grass line, and then curve the other way and land on the grass line. S, snakes. Very good. This animal, this one's actually my favorite animal. If you said tiger, you are correct. This is a tiger, tiger. So let's write the uppercase T. Here we go. Start on the skyline, go down to the grass line, and then get on the skyline and cross on the top. Very good. T, top, t. And then the lowercase t. Start on the skyline again, go down straight to the grass line, and then cross at the plane line. T, top, t. Very good. My T is a little crooked here. Please, I hope yours is a little better. I'm doing my best with my computer mouse that I have, and so I hope your T doesn't look like mine. All right, let's see what else we have here. Ooh, we have the zebra. Zebra. All right, so zebra, z. So let's make the zebra. Make the Z for the zebra. Starting on the skyline, you're going to go forward and stop. You're going to slide down to the grass line and then slide across. Very good. For our lowercase z, it's the same deal, but we're starting on the plane line. Start on the plane line, go forward, and then diagonal slide down to the grass line and slide forward. Z, zebra, z. Very good. Now, this picture here, some of you might say, oh, looks like a lizard. Well, this is a particular type of lizard. This is an iguana. 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 If you said I, you are correct. I, itch, it. So this is an iguana. We're going to write our uppercase and lowercase i's. So let's start on the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Cross at the top on the skyline and go across on the grass line. Very good. Lowercase I, you're going to start on the plane line, go down to the grass line, and dot. I, itch, it. Very good. All right. Now we have these creatures here. Does anyone know what this is? These are hippopotamus. All right. We have a mama hippo and a baby hippo. Hippopotamus starts with H. Hippopotamus. So let's write the uppercase H. You're going to start with the skyline, go down to the grass line, and then you're going to make another one starting at the skyline, going down to the grass line, crossing at the plane line. Very good. And the lowercase h, we're going to start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, trace up to the plane line, and hump down to the grass line. H hat. All right, last picture. So this creature right here is the jaguar. Jaguar. Jaguar starts with J. So let's make the uppercase J, starting at the skyline, go down to the grass line, curve to the left, very good. And you're going to cross up top on the skyline, very good. And the lowercase j, you're going to start on this plane line, go down to the worm line, curve, and then dot. J, jaguar, j. All right. Actually, in Fundations, it's J, jug, j. All right. But I hope you guys enjoyed our Fundations letter formation. And I hope you guys continue to keep practicing your uppercase and lowercase letters because you're going to need them in first grade, second grade, third grade, and for the rest of your life. And I hope you enjoyed looking at some of these really cool creatures and keep up the good work. Bye, boys and girls.